Good morning, children. Today's topic is put a or an. I have already sent a video on this topic. I hope everybody have gone through the video. Now I am again discussing about it. Put a or an. Where will I put a and where will I put an? I will put an before words that start with vowel. I will put a before words that start with consonant. How many vowels are there in English alphabet? There are 5 vowels. A, E, I, O, U. A, E, I, O, U. Look at the board. Here, dash, P, E, N, pen. P-E-N, pen. The starting letter of pen is P. Is P a vowel or consonant? P is a consonant. So, I will put here A. Then, A, P, P, L, E. Apple. Apple. The starting letter of apple is A. Is A vowel or consonant? A is vowel. So, I will put here A-N, an. Then, A, pen, and apple. Look at the board. C-A-R, car. The starting letter of car is C. Is C vowel or consonant? C is consonant. So, I will put here A. Look at the board. E-N-G-I-N-E. Engine. The starting letter of engine is E. The starting letter of engine is E. I will put here A-N, an, because E is vowel. Then C-A-K-E, cake. The starting letter of cake, is C. Is C a vowel or consonant? C is a consonant. So, I will put here A. Then, ostrich, O-S-T-R-I-C-H, ostrich. It is a bird. Ostrich. The starting letter of ostrich is O. O is a vowel. So, before this word, I will put here an ostrich. A pen, an apple, a car, an engine, a cake, an ostrich. Again, look at the board. I will give you another examples. Owl. The starting letter of owl is O. O is vowel or consonant? O is vowel. So, before this word, I will put here an. Again, bird. B-I-R-D, bird. The starting letter of bird is B. Is B a consonant or vowel? B is a consonant. So, I will put here A. Look at the board. Ink pot. I-N-K, ink. P-O-T, pot. Ink pot. The The starting letter of import is I. I is a vowel. A-E-I-O-U. I is a vowel, so I will put here and. Look at the board. Goat. G-O-A-T. Goat. The starting letter of goat is G. G is a vowel? No. G is a consonant. Before consonant we will put A. Before consonant we will put A. I will give you another examples. Look at the board. Dash B-A-T. Bat. The starting letter of bat is B. Is B vowel or consonant? Vowels are A-E-I-O-U. B is a consonant. So I will put here A. E-double-G. Egg. The starting letter is E. E is a vowel. A-E-I-O-U. E is a vowel. So I will put here A-N. Banana. B-A-N-A-N-A. Banana. The starting letter of banana is B. B is a consonant. So I will put here A. Then umbrella. U-M-B-R-E-L-L-A. Umbrella. Everybody will try to read the words. Umbrella. The starting letter of umbrella is U. U is a vowel. A-E-I-O-U. U is a vowel. So I will put here an. Then shoe. S-H-O-E. Shoe. The starting letter of shoe is S. S is a vowel? No. S is a consonant. So I will put here A. I-C-E-I-S. C-R-E-A-M. Ice cream. Ice cream. The starting letter of ice cream is I. I is a vowel. So I will put here an. Then D-O-G. Dog. The starting letter of dog is D. So I will put here A. D is a consonant. Dash A-N-T. Ant. The starting letter of ant is A. So I will put here A is a vowel. So I will put here an. Then tree. T-R-E-E. Tree. The starting letter of tree is T. T-R-E-E. Is tree a vowel or consonant? T is a consonant. Before consonant, I will put A. And before vowel, I will put A-N. Then O-R-A-N-G-E. Orange. The starting letter of orange is O. A-E-I-O-U. So, O is a vowel. I will put here A-N. Understood? Everybody will practice it at your home. Bye.